And there it is. Where's my controls? There we go. We'll give it a second for everybody to trickle in because I am live earlier than planned because they did end up releasing it to the original time. Cheers, everybody. If there's anybody out there that knows anybody at Barefoot, if you want to sponsor me, we are having peach bubbly from Barefoot today. Well, you're welcome to Venmo me. Give you a shout out next time when I go live. It's been a Friday, but where we go? There we go. Big screen for you guys. We have the upgrade button and no troubles this time. Let me turn off my fan. Sorry, guys. There we go. Yes, Friday. I am not fully 100%. If you follow me on Facebook, you know I've been carb loading all day. Let's hit the refresh page button and hope not everybody is watching Netflix yet. We do have the release notes this time. They're already live. So we know what's coming. If my slow Friday evening internet finishes loading. What have you been, guys? What have you been, guys? Oh my God. Yeah, don't take me serious today. What have you guys been up to on Friday? Jump in the comment section. Let me know. And let me know where you're watching from. Are you watching from Facebook or are you watching on YouTube? Having said that, while that finishes loading, let's pull up the release notes. Cheers. Happy Friday. I see you watching. Jump in the comment section. I want to see who was watching. Custom task IDs. That is a new ClickUp app. ClickUp task IDs are random and to remember? Tough to remember. Yeah. English is my second language. That's what you get for it. Ever wish you could set your own short and pretty IDs for tasks? Yes. ClickUp, can you put your release notes like that so I can find those notes earlier? With custom, oh no, that's task ID. Are we getting this for document IDs too? Yeah, I'm definitely not full brain power today. With custom task IDs, you're now able to set IDs like issue, blah, blah, blah. So support tickets, that kind of thing, that automatically increment by 1 with every new task you create. This custom ID can be used in views, Git integrations, and many other places where regular IDs are currently used. Need to start from a specific number. Custom IDs lets you set what number you start counting from when setting them up. Cool. But my question is, are these starting? So custom IDs, you're able to set them now, and they automatically increment by 1. Cool. But is that counting based on a list? Is it based on a folder? Is it based on a space? How does that counting happen, and how does that naming convention happen? Would like to know that. So what we can do now, let's see. To get that, you need to go, for anybody that hasn't dealt with it yet, you need to go into your ClickApps. Come on, people, talk with me. Or is my StreamYard frozen? There it is, custom ID task. Click. Done. All spaces. Add space. Really? I have to okay, so it's by spaces. Cool. So you add your space, you add the prefix for that space, and you start indexing from the number. Okay, answered that question. We now have custom task IDs based on the space. What else do we have? Drag and drop. Oh, yes. I get the sneak peek on that one. I knew that one was coming. We now can drag and drop stuff, which is why the stream started out on documents. Let's jump in here. Really? You guys really gonna hide? You really not gonna talk to me? Please tell me you're talking to me. Nope, even on YouTube. Oh, yeah. Bloggers on the Rise. just jumped in. Apparently StreamYard is not polling in YouTube comments right now. There he is. Thanks for jumping in. See, you can talk to me. Look, everybody is pulling in. Love it. Thanks, guys. It's always easier when people actually engage with you. Okay, let's grab the show outline. I know I have different pieces in that show outline. Oh yeah, thanks God it's Friday. I had a coaching call this morning. Client cut it short, and I've been in bed watching TV ever since. It's been that kind of a Friday. So we now have drag and drop. See? We can now move stuff around here, and you pretty much can do that with all of these. So you can do that with a regular banner. Can we get 2-row banners, please? That would be a nice one too. But you can do that with your banners, with checklists, lists, table, the code block, quote, embeds, headlines, dividers, all of the stuff. So if you, as they show here, if you have a YouTube video embedded, you now can move them in between your text. And just drag and drop them so you can rearrange your SOPs better and all of that fun stuff. Bryson, I hope I say that right. Will there be an update for any documents from PDF or Word docs to populate data into list inside ClickUp? I have no idea, to be honest. I know they are working, as this shows already, that drag and drop already shows they are doing a lot of work in documents and really making them documents. And no public information here. This is just my opinion, guessing from the last 2 years being around ClickUp. I am pretty sure that they are going to start matters development level, matters how they can implement it. It's always the question how they can implement everything. I see Google Documents going in a way that it theoretically could replace Google Drive, meaning full-on editing capabilities, folder structures, and all of that stuff. So that's where I see that going. And I love how my YouTubers are jumping in. Thanks, guys. Look at that. And yes, totally. Thank God it's Friday. Charleston, love it. Okay. Fairly short release. So let's jump short into for all the ones that just jumped in. We now have custom task IDs. That happens on space level. It's only for business and higher up. This is why I always tell you guys, you need to sign up for Business Plus. And if you message me, I might have a deal for you. Just don't tell anybody. We now can drag and drop in blocks, in documents. So that's happening too for all of these pieces. Makes building SOPs so much easier. And I agree, I cannot wait to have actual spreadsheets. But again, there's a lot of development behind it that's working. We see with these changes that they're working on documents, that is a priority for them. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna push out a lot more on that. Paste links over text. Instantly create hyperlinks by highlighting a text and pasting the URL. Similar to, so doing that, hold on, brain gone. Instantly create hyperlinks by highlighting text and pasting a URL. Okay, let's test this. We'll just grab the release note URL, hover over that, and paste. Whew. Okay, this is so freaky, I have to say. It's like, by the way, do we have an undo in here? An undo would be really cool, or redo the whole, yeah, we do. There we go. What did we do before undo? Task filter for timesheet widget. Okay, filter for exactly what you want to see in your dashboard when you're adding a timesheet widget. I do have a timesheet widget integrated in one of my new dashboards. So poor kitty, she is always my testing ground. Timesheet. So we got that puppy going. And we can now filter. Yes, I do not have any memory. Filter for exactly what you want to see in your dashboard when any task filter for timesheet. So we should have in this filter. Go away. And why are you guys still loading? Don't need that. That was a test earlier for a client. So it says it's a filter, but there is no filter that is task related. Am I missing something? Am I being dumb today again? Task filter for timesheet widget. Filter for exactly what you want to see. Yeah. Okay, so it's not in a standard filter. So is it in the settings? Task filter. Oh, it's straight up in the set. Huh? Oh, now I get it. Yes, I'm slow today. So we have an additional filter now that's specific to the tasks, which means we can say tasks that were due this week. Or we can filter it by the status, by tags, by due date, by priority, by assignee, which timesheets this one is already, as well as archived. Ooh, now what that means is you can use this even better because all the tasks that have been archived need to get, in this case, this is my VA, all tasks that have been archived in a specific time period. Ooh, yeah, because we got the time range already up there. This week, task filter, tasks that have been archived is what went to the bill and needs to be paid. There we go. I like that. We're going to play more with that in ClickUp in real life to see what else we can do with that. What else do we have? Okay, so we got a couple little improvements. Bug fixes. Yes, we always like those. Still working on mine. I still cannot see who tracked time on which task, but we're working on that. So numbers and bullets are not always showing up in public documents. They fixed that. Remapping list templates by end date wasn't remapping to the correct date. Worked fine for me. Not that we realized anything, but apparently there were enough people that had issues with that. Trying to navigate to the weird page. Okay, that was a weird bug. Trying to navigate to the rewards page occasionally failed. Remapping templates by end date was. Oh, so that really, guys, that's the same thing, no matter what template, if it's a list template or if it's a template. But yeah, we had remapping issues. Cool. Export to PDF would break tables. Tables is new. We expected those to go wrong. Expecting CSV file, exporting CSV files when including tasks and archive locations. All right. And automations problem, which is equal to, yeah, we've had automations issues no matter what. Please, guys, remember this is beta. Automations are still running in beta. Please do not fully build your business on automations yet. I just had to slow down a client that wanted to build everything on automations. Inability to set custom image for space avatar. Cool. Okay, native mobile app, which is in development. We are working hard on our new and native, that's a big one, mobile application that are lightning fast and incredible, easy to use. We'll be posting updates here each week we go. So now you get to hear what's already happening in development with the app before you even see it. So finish notification screen. Okay, finish list view. Working on search. Cool. Working on explore tab. Please, we need access to dashboards. If we want to use dashboards as client portal, we need access to dashboards to have access to that chat feature over there. That is such a big need over there for mobile. And just checking YouTube because StreamYard has been quite slow on jumping in and updating. So it's a short one today, and I'm actually going to go back to watching TV. Short rundown before I do. I have 13 people watching right now live. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, why not? 2 choices for you right now. Subscribe to the YouTube channel or tell me in the comment section, why not? Am I not good enough for a subscribe over here? Go subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified next time I go live and when the lifetime changes. Just because I gotta wait for the upload to be done to actually go live and show you what's happening. So if you are subscribed on my YouTube channel, you will stay up to date and get a notification when you hit that bell and turn your notifications on when I go live, so you don't have to sit here and wait for me. Recap, custom IDs for tasks. That is in space level. So when you turn it on, it asks you which space you want to add it to and what you want them to call. Drag and drop blocks in documents. Thank you. Easier adjusting our SOPs over there. That works for banners, checklists, lists, table, code block, quote, embeds, headlines, as well as dividers. You can see it right here, how you move it. It's our standard 6 dots on the side. Just drag and drop. You've seen it before somewhere else. Paste links over text. I have to say it's a little bit freaky because you literally just mark the text and hit paste. And then you click away and you see it's a hyperlink. Freaky because there's no step in between. Usually a little box pops up or something. And we now have task filters on widgets where you really can drill down on what's happening. Whole bunch of some bug fixes and all of that. So I'm going to go back to my Barefoot Bubbly. I said it in the beginning, if you know somebody at Barefoot, they're more than welcome to sponsor me. Or if you want to sponsor me, I do have a Venmo. Same username is here. Yeah, enjoy your Friday. I'll be going back to just watching TV and carb loading. That's my kind of Friday. And I'll see you soon. And I'm having some fun with my video on Tuesday. So go keep a lookout Tuesday morning for the new video release. And I'll see you there. Bye, everybody.